Hello. So today I'm gonna be making a very simple meal: chicken breast and cabbage. I have just my simple ingredients here, always onions, tomatoes and ginger. I love ginger. And I have my olive oil and my pot here. This is my salad master. Have some spices there, that is paprika and Himalayan salt. Very simple meal. So I'm just dicing my ginger into small, tiny pieces. This ginger is very good for you. It's good for your digestion, for your stomach. It actually reduces inflammation in your body. So I'll set it aside on that small bowl. Then continue chopping my onion. This is half an onion and half a tomato. I don't need much for this recipe. Just stay with me and enjoy. Hope you'll find this video nice and you can do it. You can follow my recipe or you can do something much better. But I love my food natural, less spices because it's good for your stomach. If you want your body to be comfortable, your liver and all your other body organs to be functional, use more of organic food, less of spices. This is just an advice and it is my personal opinion. Everyone is entitled to any opinion they have. I only do what I like. So if you like this, give me a thumbs up on this video. So next thing, I'm going to chop my cabbage into thin slices, thinly. This is half a cabbage. Actually, it's going to shrink in the pan. It might look like it's so much here, but when it gets heated up, it will disappear in the pan. So I'll just put this on aside. Chop this other one, other piece. Cabbage is also a good source of fiber. It's a rough edge, so what you need is just to cook it slightly, like kind of steam it. Don't overcook it. You need to eat it with having a crunchy. It has to be crunchy. set it aside. Like that. So the next thing is to chop up my chicken and start frying. Okay, now it's time to cut my chicken into thin slices. Just dice it. Because this is we call it chicken fillet. They are very soft. Slice it and put it aside. In no particular shape. The sharp knife can make your work easier. Set it aside. In my case, I will not marinate this. I'll just cook it straight away. As I've said before, I cook my food naturally, like organically. Less spices. Simple. A very soft chicken. There you go. And because my stew is more of a white color, I'll use this cayenne pepper and a bit of paprika to just change the color, to make it a bit reddish, or yeah, make it more appealing, but still keeping the food organic. So the next step is just to put it in my frying pot, and let's see how it turns out. Now it's time to start frying. I just have to set my heat on 8. Yeah. Simple cooking. My chicken here, the spices, my oil here, which is extra virgin oil, onions, cabbage. Yeah, just simple. So first I'll start by adding the olive oil on the pot. Oh, there's water there evaporating. There. I love cooking with olive oil. Very nice and smooth. And add my onion. Bit of salt. Himalayan salt, one of the best selling. Let's show it to the camera. There's a pink salt, very nice, better than the white salt or other types of salt out there. So this is what I call raw cooking, simple and clear. Add the heat. the pan on. Add your chicken. Right. Make sure the chicken is clean and washed. Put it on the pot. Add amount of olive oil and sugar so that it doesn't stick on the side. Let it cook. So leave it for 15 minutes to simmer. Still cooking. A few more minutes and then I add my cayenne pepper. And then I'll be ready to add the cabbage. The last about, and then that's it. Ready to serve. Now it's just time to add my paprika. I have reduced the heat because it's gonna stick to the pot. So this paprika, that's enough. Keep on stirring. Give it a stir. So this is ready now. It's time to add my cabbage on top. Making sure that stir. Add some more. I love cabbage personally. You can just cover it with the lid and let it steam for a while. So now that completes the end of my cooking, and the end result looks like this. So that's it, guys. My chicken and cabbage. You can have it with rice or anything that you like. There it is. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. See you in another video.